Welcome to Alboraya. Alboraya is the first town just north of Valencia, and it's mostly known for its beach, the Patacona Beach, which is just north of Malva Rosa Beach in Valencia. But it's its own little city, and it has its own little market, and you know I love to hunt markets. So today we're here in this really small, really cute market in Alboraya, in the old town of Alboraya. Got a treat. There's some local musicians and dancers in traditional clothing here, doing a bit of a pre-Christmas celebration. So come on inside and let's take a look around, see how this market stacks up against some of the other markets we've visited all around Spain. You hardly notice the market when you're walking down the streets of Alboraya, very unimposing, just a sign up there saying Mercat, which is the Valenciano for Mercado. So let's take a look inside, go up this little ramp, everything's accessible. And yeah, right at the front we see Nadal al Mercat, which basically means Christmas in the market. And it's not a big market hall, but it certainly shows the history with the tiled arches over the stores. Artichokes are very big here in the Valencia region, and the flat green beans that they use in the paella, green onions, a lot of these things are actually in season right now. Some of the heirloom tomatoes, they call them tomato rosa, other types of tomatoes, lots and lots of options here. And then cauliflower, which along with green cabbage is very big right now and in season. So we're in December and you can go outside, just outside the market, just a few hundred yards away. The fields of artichokes are there for you to see. And you can see here how this area is all very agricultural. Now back inside, you're not getting really huge market stalls, but small local vendors. A lot of the produce and vegetables are from the area. Everything's very fresh. You can still see the dirt on them. The morcilla here, you've got some of that blood sausage and other meats that are produced locally. And of course, fish. The Spaniards love their fish, and I do too now, and especially these small tejina clams, which are just wonderful, and they're prepared in garlic and butter, a wonderful treat that you can get. So here we see again these arches, the charcuterie, cold cuts, and especially the jamon is so popular here in Spain. The bellota being the best, the 100% bellota. That's this acorn-fed ham, and the Italians have their prosciutto, and the Spaniards have just so many more types of ham, and they will range anywhere from about $10 to $12 a pound, all the way up to close to $100 per pound. And it is absolutely exquisite tasting. Different sausages and things here. You get a little peak here in the center, that red block, that's the membrillo, that's a quince paste, and some of the cheeses, pumpkins in season right now, and you will see many places actually offering pre-roasted slices of pumpkin, leeks, green cabbage, butternut squash, horseradish, also very much in season. Here we have the poultry vendor, and then some of the cold cuts with lots and lots of different types of salami and chorizo. What a treat it was to see those dancers and musicians here on a Saturday morning, just a week before Christmas, performing in their traditional costumes. Back to the veggies and the cheese, so many different varieties here. The Spanish particularly enjoy hard cheeses, though you will find some imported cheeses. And here also, again, this membrillo, this quince paste, and then some more of these pate type rounds that they offer here. Honey was another thing that I found and purchased yesterday. 1 kilo of local honey, and it shows exactly where it comes from for just about $9 for two plus pounds of honey. Again, not the biggest market, but what you're getting here in Alboraya is you're getting away from the tourist trap that is, for example, the Mercat Central in Valencia. I love that market, and I go there pretty often, but you're not going to get great deals. You're not going to get the real local flavor. You will get an awful lot of choice, and you will pay premium prices for that choice. You'll see in just a second here how well I did on this Saturday morning. I went in and I was able to get this giant head of cauliflower. That was $1.50. A bunch of radishes for about 80 cents. And then these 2 really large heirloom tomatoes also for about $1. And that kind of concludes my trip here to the Alboraya market. Hope you enjoyed it. I've had some other market visits around Spain and southern France. You'll see the videos on my channel, so don't forget to take a look at those, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you at the next market. Bye now.